Right, little video. It's pitch, well, it's nearly pitch black now. I'll also just show you how bright these actually lights are. So yeah, it's quite good. It's fairly bright. It's not massively bright. It's not in your face. There's plenty of light there. There's plenty of light there. Amazing. A little bit of red, green, blue, purple, pink. Oh, lovely. Yeah. I don't know if it's brown or what. Dark purple. Back to white here. Obviously dim them down. That's quite a bit of an ambient light. Still see everything. But you've got 140 degrees of sort of light coming out, so don't know what 140 degrees looks like. A little bit of a, yeah. Tell you what. I like them. Very pleased with them. That'll do. That's enough in there. That's take that. Right. Good night. Right, I've come in here again. It's Saturday afternoon. I've been laying the floor in the house and I'm coming to this. The LED strips falling down. Obviously the tape is not very good. So out comes the glue gun. I'm going to glue it back into place. And, whether it likes it or not, it's going to be in the right place. So that's the lights sorted anyway. Do some insulation now and you know, get it all nice and warm and cool in the summer actually, yeah. What the frick hell are you doing here? Oh, it's me! I'll come and give you a hand. What do you mean? Right, so I've got two walls insulated, got the ceiling insulated. Got two walls to do. I'm going to put some vapour barrier on. It's on roofing vapour barrier, Ivec. Perfect stuff. So yeah, crack on that. Well, I'm still here. It's now Tuesday. What did I do? What did I do at the weekend? On Saturday, I didn't do a massive amount. I can't remember the bloody hell. Sunday, I started the roof, and I finished that last night on Monday night. So that is now watertight, felted. I used torch felt on it, so I torched it in place, so that ain't going to go anywhere. Also adds stability to the actual whole shed, stop it rocking as well. So now I'm just literally finishing off the insulation and the vapour barrier. So I've just done this last wall. You can see. So this fat belly in the way. So that's all. That's done. So it's just a case of just got to flip that up onto the ceiling. So I'll show you how to do it. So all the sheds lined out now, so all the vapour barriers up. just waiting for plasterboard, which I'm getting plasterboard on Thursday. So then I can start boarding out. Well, Friday night I'm busy. I've got my eldest daughter's rugby awards thing, so rugby and you know. So we're going to go there Friday night, and so Saturday I'll start boarding it all out. And I've got to get the power up this weekend. I've got a 40 amp supply coming from the house. I've got a 30 metre armoured cable to pull up, bring power in. The control that'll come into the control panel's going there. Got 2.5 foot by 2.5 foot control panel, it's full of stuff, so I've got to take a lot of it out. So I got off eBay for 20 quid, 25 quid. All the electrics in here are going to be surface mounted. So, do you know what, if I move things about, it's easy, it's so much easier. It's all going to be all running underneath the worktop, and I'll just pop holes up here, there and everywhere. So yeah, it's just, and then obviously it'll be trunked in, so it'll be safe, it's all earthed. So that will get done, and I can get some proper, bloody wasp. So yeah, Frosty, good boy, come here, bloody dog. So yeah, the electric and gas, yeah, I could start make a few bacon sandwiches in. The power and the water will come up. I'm going to do the, I don't know, seen in my other videos, it's about a Willis immersion. I'm going to do a Herm system with a Willis immersion. It's a 1.5 litre container with a 2.5 kilowatt element in, and you just circulate that. That'll be my Herms. So literally you're only heating, I'd say probably with all the pipe work, probably about 3 or 4 litres. So continuously heating that. And that will run through a plate chiller. To the water will come into the plate chiller, and the hot water will go, and it obviously mix there, and obviously the heat will then exchange there. And I'll have a valve on it, so then I can run cold water through it and cool the water. So all heat and cool with one unit. It should work in theory, but if it don't, I can pull it out, bung it in the bin, and get rid. So yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. What else? What else have I got to do? The plasterboard Thursday. Water and electric at the weekend. Obviously, there won't be any power. Still got a temporary supply just for lights. There won't be any power yet, obviously, until I get everything fired up, connected up inside the house. Got to get electrician out to do that, because I'm not doing that. Or a 40 amp bloody supply. But it's getting there. It's getting there. Getting excited now. Next week I'll put the worktops in. I'll have 16 foot of worktop, so there'll be plenty of room. So I've got 10 feet down the length, and the return, it's 8 foot wide, so it'll be a 2 foot, so it'll be 6 foot. So I might stop it short. I'm going to put sink in the return. So, and well, it's only going to be, it's only going to empty out onto waste ground, so behind the shed. So I won't be able to put any solids through it, but water, it's not a problem. Star sand or a bit of water won't hurt. Track flies. Yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. I'm getting excited now. I've been wanting this for God knows how long, because my other brew shed is just, it's a pig to clean, to keep clean. You can't clean it. There's nothing there. It's just dust and crap. Well, I made some good beer. I've never had any infections or anything like that. I've been lucky. This way, I've got 2 fridges to come in here, a beer fridge, and a fermenter. I think I might stack them on top of each other, so I can have the fermenter at a decent height in front of me. So I hate bending down, getting on bloody knees, so I'm going to have the fermenter in front of me. I think that'll be a lot better, so it'll be a lot easier to keep clean as well. Actually, just stand there and clean it. So that's going to go in the corner without a doubt. Yeah. Watch this space, but so I'll stick this video up tonight, and I'll get cracking, and when I'm cracking I'll make some more. But it's like that bloody other idiot buddy don't come back. He's doing my head in. He's a good looking chap, but he's a bloody idiot. Anyway, good night peeps, and I'll see you soon.